Do you hear that? The kitchen's calling. Come on, let's go! Mia found a cookbook with a golden glow. Open it up and let the magic show. Mia tied her apron on a rainy Saturday. She found a glowing cookbook, it just called out, hey! She opened up the cover and the pages sparkled bright. The whole entire kitchen filled with golden magical light. The floor back started jumping, the sugar bowl was thumping, the butter did a little slide, the eggs were tap dancing side by side. It's Mia's magical baking day. Ingredients are dancing, hip hip hooray. Stir it up and mix it right. Everything is fluffy, golden, sweet and bright. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups more. The most magical cake you've ever seen before. Bake it up and watch it grow. Mia's magical baking day. Let's go! First the flour flew up high like a big white snow. It swirled around the kitchen in a fluffy tornado. Then 2 little eggs jumped up and tapped their shells. They cracked themselves wide open to the jingle of bells. The chocolate chips were smiling, the vanilla kept on styling. The baking powder pop, pop, pop. The mixing bowl said, please don't stop. It's Mia's magical baking day. The ingredients are dancing, hip hip hooray. Stir it up and mix it right. Everything is fluffy, golden, sweet and bright. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups more. The most magical cake you've ever seen before. Bake it up and watch it grow. Mia's magical baking day. Let's go! Pour in 1 cup of sunshine flour. 1. Add in 2 spoons of sweet honey power. 2. Crack 3 eggs with a tap, tap, tap. 3. 4. Chocolate chips go clap, clap, clop. 4. Fine drops of vanilla. Snip, snip, snip. 5. Now give that magical bowl a lift. Lift it up. Liam ran into the kitchen, his eyes went wide. He grabbed a wooden spoon and stirred with so much pride. They poured the batter gently in a big round pan and slid it in the oven till the timer ran. The armor glowed with golden light, the smell of cake filled up the night. Tick tock, ding ding ding. Open up the oven, oh what will it bring? It's Mia's magical baking day. The biggest cake is rising, hip hip hooray. Layer after layer after layer it grows. Up through the kitchen ceiling, there it goes. Okay, 2 corners, 3 floors more. The most magnificent cake the world's seen before. It floated out the window to the clouds up high. Mia's magical baking day. Goodbye, goodbye. Drip, drop, frosting on the floor. Liam licks the spoon and asks for more. The cookbook closes slowly with a gentle golden gleam. Mia's magical baking day. Was it all a dream? No, 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 it was real as can be. The most magic kitchen for you and for me. Good night, flour. Good night, eggs. Good night, cake, floating up through the clouds. Sweet dreams.